One excellent thing about the Wrangler is using it for yard work. So sorry about the wind noise, if there is any, or the traffic in the background, but I gotta get this shrub out of here. We're gonna be planting a new tree here, but I'm gonna use the Jeep. I just gotta need enough access underneath it here to get the winch around it. That ought to do. And yeah, I know my line here is frayed a little bit. A couple of the, not weaves, braids. A couple of them are broken, so I'm super careful with this. I really need to put a new cable on here. Maybe I'll go synthetic. I don't know. What do you guys think? You like cable or synthetic? But yeah, that's just to say when I do use the winch, I'm super careful. Yeah. All right, honey, I got the yard work done. So there we go. Just wanted to share that with you. Using the Jeep to do yard work, it's always fun. But in all seriousness, I do need to replace that cable on that winch. I'm really thinking of going with a synthetic rope. There's a company that actually wanted to send me a synthetic rope for me to trial, so I might do that. I don't know, but leave a comment. Let me know what you run on your Jeep and why you like it. Thanks a lot and have a good day.